Hello there. In the last video we set up the adapter. In this one let's deal with the gallery activity and connect what we created so far. So open the file, the class. First we need some data, so let's create an array list of audio records. Create in a var, call it records, type array list of audio records. We will also need the adapter, private date init var my adapter, type adapter, and later on we'll be using the database tv app database. Okay, now in the onCreate method, first initialize the records with an empty array list. Then let's initialize the adapter. And the adapter actually needs a list of audio records, not an array list. So let's make a change here. Instead of list, set it to array list. It will make it easier for us when updating the RecyclerView. Now here give it the records, and that's great. So the RecyclerView needs two informations: an adapter to know how it should look and behave and what kind of data it displays, and a layout manager to tell it how to position items and when to recycle the ones that are off screen. We already have the adapter and we need the layout manager. We will define it inside the apply method of the RecyclerView. Call apply. First give it the adapter, and then layout manager, we'll give it a linear layout manager with the context. So right now the RecyclerView is ready, but there is nothing to show because the records is still empty. So let's initialize the database and then fetch all the content in here. The database as usual, room.build, or the database builder, we give it the context, then the class, and the database name, and finally we call the build function. Okay, now let's create a new function that fetches all the data and simply call it fetch all. So here what we need to do, first thing, do the action inside a global scope because we can't run it in the UI thread. Here first we clear the records, we remove everything inside it. Then we query our records and save them inside the query result variable db.audioRecord and get all. Then we insert all of them inside the records array list. Add all query result. One last thing is to inform the adapter that the dataset changed just by calling adapter.notify dataset changed. Okay, let's call this here and run this to see how it goes. We should find one record here, and just as we want it, we have the image, the file name, the duration, and the date. The item is clickable and it has a ripple effect, but you don't have the click listener yet. In the next video we'll add a click listener and long click listener. See you then.